Hey guys, it's the Budget Tech Guy here, and in this video I'm unboxing my new microphone, the Nacon ST-200 streaming microphone. And throughout the entire video, I'm recording my voice using only this microphone. The microphone and its accessories comes in this foam packaging, keeping it safe during transportation. Obviously, a manual is included. This is the holder or bracket for the microphone. Also, there's a 1.8 meter USB cable included, and it's a very nice quality cable. And here's the mini tripod that you can attach the microphone holder to. And then there's the streaming microphone itself. And to finish this video off, here's some B-roll of the microphone itself. Everything included in this package is made of metal, apart from the USB cable of course. If you're interested in tech, you should hit the subscribe button down below. I'm the Budget Tech Guy, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.